1. Money is the root of all evil. Money is not the root of all evil. It is the love of money that is the root of evil. Money in itself is neither moral or immoral. Money is amoral. It takes on the shape of the holder. If a good man handles it, it is put into good use. If a terrorist handles it, it is put into bad use. So the real damage money does is done by the handler. One man has money, see a young lady and hopes to be of help without having anything in return. Another see a helpless lady and offers to help with sex in return. So, the notes in their hands didn't change. It only followed the direction of the holder. 2. You use money to make money. I have heard people say this time and again, but it's so wrong. You don't use money to make money. In fact, you don't need money to make money. You need value to make money. Take, for instance, you have a digital skill, let's say video editing. All you need to make money is to put up videos about your skill on any freelance platform, and you start getting orders which turn into notes in your pocket. On the other hand, if you have piles of money and you don't have a value to offer to keep it coming, then you'll spend all you have on so-called investments such as Ponzi schemes, hoping to have a big break somewhere, and boom! Off you go broke again. So it takes value to make money, not money to make money. If you are getting value from this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Let's continue. 3. Money stops nonsense. Money does not stop nonsense. What money stops is poor perception. Any nonsense people do or say to you is a function of your character, and that cannot be hidden because the money in your hand will only amplify who you are. If you are arrogant before you became rich, you will still be the same in your new status and be addressed as such by those who know you. But your nonsense remains with you. Do you want the nonsense to stop? Then change your value system. Or having lots of money will make you proud. This about the most widespread mindset about money on the earth. Everyone believes that all rich people are all proud and pompous. Not so. In fact, there are more poor, arrogant people than there are rich people. Because it takes a lot of patience, tenacity to make consistent cash flow on consistent basis. This attitude instills the discipline needed to make, manage, and multiply your earnings. You can be rich and be humble. You can be rich and accessible. It all depends on you. I hope you got value from this video.